In July last year, the Ministry of Defense and the U.S. Department of Defense signed a project agreement for air-launched unmanned aerial vehicle under the Joint Working Group Air Systems in the Defense Technology and Trade Initiative. And according to the latest media reports, the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory (AFRL) has yielded collaboration of experimental wind tunnel results and concurred with wind tunnel modeling predictions determined in India. AFRL is working with New Space Research and Technologies, an India-based aerospace startup company, in support of air-launched small unmanned aerial systems. The recent results came from collaborative testing between Air Force Research Laboratory and New Space Research, using the vertical wind tunnel facility at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. The agreement is a crucial step towards deepening defense technology collaboration between the two nations through the co-development of defense equipment.